Yeah, once again, welcome. I need to peel for some potatoes for lunch. So this is how we do it in Africa. So I have potatoes here, and I have water in a small bowl. So let me do it. So
DJ Gideon.
so I will be sitting in that chair. This is how we do it, yeah. Uh, been long since I peeled potato, so I don't know if I'm peeling it right, but as long as I'm not removing a big a big peel or a big skin, I think it's okay. So after that, yeah, you cut it into small slices. Actually, these potatoes, they are called I'm not sure of the name, but they are very sweet, very sweet. Yeah, you cannot compare. These are the best potatoes because I always try to eat them in Dubai, but for me, actually, I don't like them. They are not sweet like the one from Albagon Molo. So for me, I usually like the African potatoes. Actually, they are very nice, especially the ones for eating. And I saw there are different varieties of potatoes, one for cooking like this, and then one for making chips, because the chips ones, they are very big. Another one for making crisps, I guess. And also you can use cassava to make crisps. Actually, they usually look nice. So that is it. I think they look nice. Then you put them inside water. I think somebody's calling me. Ah, so let me take this call. So I think that is it, and then after that, we'll take them to the fire. We have to cook them. So when I'm done, actually. So we wait to see. So I want to show you how my mother is cooking the potatoes. So, ama agers le chapte in growth. So this is a fireplace, huh? So now she's cooking these the potatoes and the bananas. So she's actually not boiling them. So just put oil, some onions, some tomatoes. Yeah, and then you like fry them, and then you add some little water. Yes, that is how it is right now. So you wait for it to be ready. Now she's adding beans. So actually, you just with the beans, you just boil it, and then you fry it with the with the potatoes and the bananas. So we wait and then we see the results. Actually, I'll show you after the meal is ready. Yeah. So now this is the aftermath of the food when it is cooked. So you see, it is mixed well. So I need to give the taste. Anyway, mother's foods are always tasty. Yeah. Very tasty. Yeah, you can try that at home. Very tasty.